Many companies are making the decision to go from this, which is Google Apps, in particular this is Google Docs, to Microsoft, which looks like that. In this case, particularly Microsoft Word Online, right? So when that happens, that's a pretty big jarring experience for the employees because they're used to the Google system, and coming from that, which is this right here, going to this, I'll put this side by side. That's a lot of differences in the menu options, for example, just the way it appears on the page, the different options available. So how do you help your users when they're going from Google Docs and Sheets and everything else to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all that stuff? How do you help them be successful at their moment of need, where they need to do something? Now, obviously, they can always go and start searching for things on google.com or on bing.com, whatever, but information is scattered all over the place for all these applications. There is a better way. So in this case, Microsoft has made available a lot of content, training content online, and it is all available through this tab over here. As you can see at the bottom, it says Need Help. You can actually deploy this tab, and once you deploy this tab, it's called a VisualSP tab. You'll get all the content coming from Microsoft directly, contextually to people. So when I click on it, here we go, it shows me all content, in this case help and training content that's specific to Word. Let me go ahead and click on something. So what is Word? Here we go. There's a video it's going to talk about, and that's more information here. Or editing text, inserting hyperlinks. All that content is right there at the fingertips of the user as they need it at their moment of need. And when they go to a different application like Excel, PowerPoint, etc., it's all going to change automatically, and it's going to show them context-sensitive information for that. And if they start searching from here, for example, if I do a search for Excel, I won't find it here, but if I click on Search the Full Library of Items link, now it's going to show me all the content about Excel. Here it is. Okay, and here it is. Lots of multimedia content and everything else in between. So how do you get this tab? That's the main question here. So it's available everywhere. Well, this is an actual plugin to the browser. This is the one right here running. I would go open up a new tab in your browser, doesn't matter which browser, type in VisualSP plugin. Once you type in VisualSP plugin, click on the first link that says download and install the VisualSP online browser extension. And then just pick the browser that you're running. In my case, I'm running Microsoft Edge that came out in 2020. And I will click on install extension. And that's it. Once you click on the install extension and go through the process, you would get this tab, the Need Help tab, that shows up automatically. As a user, you'll get the context-sensitive help when you go from application to application to application. Everything's going to be available right there at the moment of need. Hope this helps.